So in the evening here, you'll have bands come in here and play. Pretty cool. They also have karaoke in here. This is the Havana Bar. This is free for all guests. You don't have to have a Havana room to be in here. This is the Havana Bar that people can come on this side. You don't have to have the wristband. Do you have to have a wristband to come out here?
Because she made blankets for my brother. Yes, and he still lives there.
This is the Havana Pool right here. It's not that much water in it today. Usually the water comes up here. This is one of the hot tubs. Both hot tubs. 2 hot tubs. You have these nice little shady spots. And then when you go down here, it's like they're doing some work, some cleaning looks like. But this is the Havana Cabanas down in through here. We'll go on the other side and look at them. It's the same on the other side. Not much water in here.
Not really, because dump like it.
Yeah, it's all on that side. And this is the Havana Bar for the Havana guests on this side. And again, over here is the Havana Cabanas. You don't get much privacy on these. That's one thing about it. So no privacy. So if you like having your privacy, this is what you get. That's the reason why we never book these, because we do like having our privacy. So these are, again, Havana Cabanas. Some of them are suites. But yeah, that's what you got. And then for the Havana Staterooms, you have interiors, but you also have 6 and 7 are the Havana balconies. We have one on the other side. I did a video for a room tour, 6466. You can check out that video. But it's one of these big balcony cabins. So hopefully that answers some of you guys' questions about the Havana area. And so any more questions, leave them down in the comments. I can answer them as best as I can. Got to have a wristband to come in. And if you have a grand suite, we had a grand suite the last cruise, you also have access to the Havana area. So, from the Carnival Vista, 73.